traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in Euro USD currency pairs. We'll start the analysis from the daily time frame and narrow down to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please don't skip the video and watch the video fully to know all these levels. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it is actually in very nice bullish trend. It has tested this level of 1.04 and it never came back to this level after that. And when we look at the bullish side also, it tested the level of 1.39, and from that next time when it retraced also, it didn't go back to the same level again. So we know that from the upper side or on the lower side, it is narrowing down. And when we look at this point over here, I have drawn a trend line, black trend line over here. It has broken this trend line and it started its bullish trend, and it retraced up to the level of 1.23, and this level was the exact neck level for the past price action. So there was a consolidation previously, and this level was acting as a very strong support and resistance level, and current price action couldn't break this level and it went on a bearish trend. Let us closely analyze the current price action. So when we closely analyze the current price action, from this level it took support on the bullish trend line and it started its bullish trend, and from here it found a strong resistance and it started its bearish trend. When we analyze the pattern, of this price action, we clearly know that it has formed a double top pattern and it started its retracement, and this trend line, which was acting as a resistance line for the past price action, is currently acting as a support line. So that is the reason why price action has taken support on this trend line and the price action was on a retracement. Currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern, but you can notice that it has given a breakout from this bearish channel pattern because it couldn't manage to break this support level. And when we look at the past price action, this is where it gave breakout from the trend line or the resistance line, and it came on a retracement and tested this support line, then started its bullish trend. So currently it has tested this trend line and retracement has happened. We can expect the price action to retrace and continue its bullish trend, because overall when we look at the price action, it is trading on a bullish trend. As long as the support line or the trend line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend reversal in this currency pair. Before that, we can expect a retracement and take support on this trend line, then a bounce back on the bullish side, because on the lower side also we are having a bullish trend and this trend line is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. The price action in daily time frame is trading within a bearish channel pattern, and I have drawn a bullish channel pattern, and current price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern. It has tested the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern and it is in a retracement, and it has tested also the support line of the bullish channel pattern. We can expect the price action to consolidate within this bullish channel pattern, and we have the higher time frame bearish channel pattern resistance line also running over here. So if it doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect a breach on this support line, then bearish trend to start. And in this currency pair, whenever the trend reversal happens, you can notice that it is forming a double top pattern, then trend reversal happens. Currently also you can notice that it is forming a similar to double top pattern. So I am expecting a trend reversal on the bearish side because it has lost momentum on the bullish side. Next level of support in hourly time frame is going to be the higher time frame support level, which is going to be around 1.11925. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in green color box are the support and resistance levels. Currently the price action is finding support at the level of 1.133, and you can see that it is also bridging this support level. We can expect it to take support on this bullish channel pattern support line, and if it breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall and take support on the higher time frame support level of 1.11. Currently the price action is in a very nice bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, the price action has gone up, formed a double top pattern, then a trend reversal has happened. Again it formed a double bottom pattern, then a bullish trend reversal has happened. It couldn't manage to retrace to the previous high, and it is in a retracement or in a bearish trend. The price action has to break this support line of the bullish channel pattern to actually continue its bearish trend. I would advise you to draw trend lines like this to know the direction of the market. Whenever the price action tests these trend lines and bounces back, you can go on a bearish side trades. Overall the trend in the higher time frame is also on the bearish side, so we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, the price action has bounced back from this bullish channel pattern support line from the hourly time frame, and it was on a very nice bullish trend, and it couldn't break this previous high level, and it started trending back on the bearish side, and it has broken this trend line or the support line also. It is in a very nice bearish trend for now. We can expect the price action to take support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, and if it manages to break this support line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. So I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this, and whenever the price action tests this trend line and bounces back, you can go on a bearish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on the support level of 1.13. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support to my video, and share this video with your friends.